Here, hold this, Con. Hey, Andrew, how was that ride?
Took my breath away. Howdy.
I hear you're the driver.
I guess so, huh?
They told me to ride.
Wants to get a picture.
They told me to ride with you.
Put your camera down.
Good to go?
He's so
Good to go.
excited.
Good ride.
Gotta love that CR1, huh?
Yeah. A couple guys on our club has CR1s.
What do you got at home?
CO6.
Yeah.
08.
Yeah, I got a little older one. I got 99.
99?
Yeah.
All right.
Can't quite afford the new stuff, so.
Hey, they all go.
Oh yeah.
They're all fun to drive. I'd hop in this thing again with you.
Yeah, for sure.
That's an
Good
awesome
ride.
picture.
Good ride. Okay, let me get in the back here. Did you like that ride?
Oh,
Yeah.
that's amazing. I think one's enough for me.
So Andrew, it was hot, huh?
Oh yeah, it took me back. Jerry,
He's not riding?
I would say one more. Yeah.
The guy's good.
Yeah. That's what? Was that right? Oh yeah.
You want to ride at 33.
33? Craziest driver?
Yeah, he's a good driver. This guy's a little bit more mellow.
I'll leave this with you because I'll probably be back by the time you're getting in.
Hey, Dick. How was that ride?
That like a jet? It does? Oh yeah? Jets are real slow to start accelerating.
You want to test drive any performance?
Then they start moving.
Both the Coupe and
Drive the Cadillac.
I already have. My wife works at a car dealership.
Yeah.
I'm also into GM dealer too, so I took a B coupe for a bird with a sales guy. I was going down the road and he goes, "Are you gonna step on it?" I go, "Nope."
That's a good ride.
It is.
Handles pretty decent.
But here, like what you can do with it, it's a little tight road course, man. You gotta get that baby on the highway to really see it guys.
What's up, Gare? Good ride?
It wasn't as fast as the first time.
I'm making sure I ride with 33 again.
Yeah, he
He
gets
gets just going around and around.
he lets the back end go further out than this guy. 33 is the one to ride with.
That's what we've heard.
But they're both good drivers.
Hey, Lou. How was he?
Great. Good luck. All the girls great. All the girls stay up there. All the girls throw up.
Oh, yeah, you're a fun driver.
Did you ride with anybody else yet?
No. Yeah. I know you're the better driver. Christ, how many times did my buddy Mark ride with you?
I don't know.
The guy with the two hats on?
Yeah.
Now we're going to catch a Mustang. Pretty sad. Poor little Mustang. Have you driven them?
Yeah.
They push like hell?
Yeah. It's pretty bad when you catch them sideways.
That's pretty bad. God.
Out up here. Have fun, okay?
We will.
Yeah.
We're having a ball today already. Caught that piece of junk Mustang. I said, oh good, we're going to catch the Mustang, and sure enough we did. I think.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, we caught him.
What'd you do?
Caught the Mustang.
Did,
Yeah.
I've seen the lead up the Mustang on that back stretch.
Yeah. Mustang didn't stand a chance.
No.
Not to play a mark.